good morning from Sin Suối Hồ. My name is Su, and foreigner people call me Susan. So I just get up from my home, come here, and today I would like to introduce to you the Sin Suối Hồ Market. It's a local market. It just happened every Saturday morning, and it's very colorful and very interesting. So I will show you how beautiful it is. You can see in my background. It's so interesting, right? Look, and you see the village is very clean. Even it's a market, but everywhere is very clean, and you can see the bin is everywhere. The people can put the trash in the bin. Wow, it's very interesting. So I'll show you. Hello, welcome back, and here is Sin Suối Hồ Market in the morning. If you come to Sin Suối Hồ, you need to come on Friday night and stay overnight in Sin Suối Hồ. In the morning, you come to the market. The market is in the middle of the village, and it's just happen every Saturday morning. You can have a look. It's very beautiful and very colorful, right? And the village is very clean. Over there is the stage. When the customer come, they can have look some traditional dancing. Okay, so I will show you. The market is selling something like vegetable, organic, and some fruit, some natural fruit. Look, and it depends on the season. If this season just have been vegetable, banana, potato, sweet potato, and you can have look. This woman, he is a red down people. He's a red down people. You cannot see. Her clothes is very different to among people, and this is old woman. They are Hmong people. When we have the market, the local market, everyone can have their own job, and they can sell everything they plant in their garden. And this one is sweet potato. You can have a look. And this also, the market also it's also the place for the people come to talk together, talk about their family, their business, everything. And they also do the skirt on the it's like you can see Hmong daily life in the market. It's very interesting. Look. And if you come to the village, you would like to say hello to Hmong people, you can say Nhớ Rong.